Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2020 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. We haven't stocked these boats, so this is a new year for MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota to have a 23-foot Grand Mariner on the show floor. Coming inside the boat, this is called our center walkthrough with dual loungers in the back. You can see the nice padded chair lounger. Got an easy access to your fuel. You got speakers below and storage under these seats. These are really comfy seats. As you can see, this boat's equipped with pillow top. You got your charging ports, radio controls, you got cup holders all over the place. This one here has a lounger to the side, dressing room door, storage area. It's a nice area. Put your cell phone in here. Put your bags so people don't have to get up, get off the seats to get to your bags. Nice loungers here in front. Again, recessed cup holders. It's got the nice two-tone, three-tone actually, upholstery. Very comfy. Nice big helm chair. And the Grand Mariner helm. This has two options. You can get the two touchscreens, which we did for the boat show, or you can get the dialogue package. So again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Like always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.